Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your PlayStation 4 games look better on your PS5 Pro. So if we press options and go up to the top here, and then go on down to where it says screen and video, there is an option under video output called enhance image quality for PS4 games. Just make sure this is checked and turned on. It says improve the image quality of PS4 games to enjoy higher quality gameplay for some games. Turn this off if you experience unexpected gaming behavior. So if we're going to be playing some of these older games, maybe like Bloodborne, this is going to make your game look better. So that's a PS4 exclusive game. There's no update for it or anything like that. So if you're going to be playing these PS4 games, like for example, I have Battlefield or Black Ops 4 open. This is a great game, but there's no PS5 version at all. So if you want to play some Black Ops or something like that, jump in, turn that on, and everything's going to look better. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.